Every year, I battle mulch, hauling, dumping, spreading, and still losing to weeds. But what if nature could do the work for us? What if the answer isn't in a bag, but in a seed? Enter living mulch, plants that carpet, shade, and feed the soil. No heavy lifting required. Today, we'll look at 5 seeds that transform bare soil into a self-sustaining ecosystem. These aren't just pretty plants, they're nature's own defense and support system for your garden. Grab your gardening gloves. Let's see how these seeds can change everything. First up, white Dutch clover, the ultimate living blanket for your garden. Scatter the seeds, and you get a lush green mat that outcompetes weeds and blocks sunlight from reaching them. Clover's secret weapon: it teams up with bacteria to pull nitrogen from the air, feeding itself and your other plants. It's tough. Walk on it. Mow it. It just grows back thicker. Unlike a traditional lawn, clover stays green and resilient, filling gaps and keeping weeds out. It cools the soil, reduces evaporation, and acts as a natural fertilizer factory. With clover, you're not just covering ground, you're building a healthier, low-maintenance garden. It's the friend who shows up, helps out, and leaves your soil better than before. For a self-sufficient garden bed or lawn, clover is a no-brainer. Let it do the heavy lifting for you. Next, creeping thyme. Think of it as fragrant armor for your garden. This low, dense perennial forms a living tile floor, perfect for paths and borders. Its tight mat blocks weeds and releases a wonderful scent when walked on. In summer, it bursts with flowers, attracting pollinators like bees. Drought-tolerant and well-behaved, thyme defines edges without taking over. It's a multi-sensory defense, beautiful, tough, and aromatic. With thyme, your garden gets protection, pollinator support, and curb appeal, all in one. Turn boring borders into hard-working features. Need fast results? Buckwheat is your speed demon. From seed to a dense 3-foot canopy in just weeks, it smothers weeds before they start. Its roots break up compacted soil and unlock nutrients, prepping your garden for future crops. When frost hits, buckwheat collapses, creating a natural mulch that feeds and protects the soil. No cutting or tilling needed. It mulches itself. Buckwheat is the ultimate reset button for tired or weedy ground. Plant it, watch it work, and let nature handle the cleanup. It's fast, efficient, and all natural. Perfect for prepping new beds or revitalizing old ones. Sweet alyssum may look delicate, but it's ruthless against weeds. It forms a dense, fragrant mat that weeds can't penetrate. Blooming from spring to frost, it fills your garden with color and honey scent. Alyssum attracts beneficial insects, nature's pest control squad. Its roots hold soil in place and help retain moisture. Use it as a living mulch in beds or containers for beauty and function. Alyssum fights weeds, supports good bugs, and protects your soil, all at once. It proves you can have a garden that's both beautiful and hard-working. Finally, hairy vetch, the heavyweight of soil fertility. This vining legume fixes huge amounts of nitrogen, feeding your soil for the whole season. Planted in fall, it survives winter and explodes with growth in spring, smothering weeds. Before summer planting, mow it down. Its lush foliage becomes rich, nutrient-dense mulch. As it decomposes, it releases nitrogen and organic matter right where your crops need it. Vetch is a long-term investment. It improves soil structure, water retention, and fertility year after year. It turns your garden into a self-sustaining, resilient system. Grow your own fertilizer, and let your soil thrive. With vetch, you're building a better garden for seasons to come. There you have it. 5 seeds that act as ecosystem engineers. Clover, thyme, buckwheat, alyssum, and vetch each offer unique solutions for weeds, soil health, and less work. Living mulch is nature's upgrade. No more endless bags, just smarter gardening. These plants protect, feed, and manage your garden, season after season. Partner with nature, and your garden becomes more beautiful, productive, and resilient. Plant them once, enjoy the benefits all year. Thanks for watching. More unusual garden hacks are on the way.